This is a Logitech MX Keys mini keyboard in the white/gray color, which features ultra fluid typing and is very minimalistic as well. Now I personally got this for my MacBook, which should work very well, but is also compatible for Windows and a whole bunch of other devices as well. So let's unbox the keyboard here. It comes in this really nice packaging. You can see right on the box, they give us a nice little quick start guide over here. I do like that a lot. And here we have the keyboard wrapped in some, probably like some parchment paper. Give you a little card to create the ultimate setup. Alright guys, and here is the keyboard. It looks really nice. I think this will look beautiful in an all-white setup. You see the keys are very ultra low profile as well. And I don't know if you can see here on the camera here, but each of these buttons, each of these keys here have like this little circular thing that's kind of indented inwards, so that when you have your finger here, it rests very nicely. Feels really nice. It's also very thin and compact, as you can see here. And it looks like it has this little hump on the back here, which should elevate it. Yeah, it gives it like a very nice subtle tilt. Now further inside the box, we're gonna get a USB A to C cable. Now it's in a really darkish gray. I would have wanted this to be white. However, it's great that they still include this cable to charge your keyboard. You also get some paperwork for your warranty and a manual. All right, taking a closer look at this keyboard here, right on the top here, we have the USB-C input here. This is going to be used to charge the keyboard itself, or if you have it plugged into your Mac or your PC, it should automatically connect as well. We have a little toggle switch here to switch from the off and on position. And you can see as soon as I toggle that on, you have this indicator turning on. And what makes this a great option is that it features both universal keys for both Mac and Windows. You can see we have option, and then you have the /start. So these are dedicated keys for both Mac and Windows. So sometimes when you have a keyboard that's designed for Windows or designed exclusively for Mac, using it in the opposite operating system obviously still works, but sometimes, you know, you might not know exactly where the command or where the alternate or where the alt would be. So I like the fact that you have both options here, which makes it very convenient. I also love the sizing of this. It's very small, very minimalistic. It reminds me of the Apple keyboard, but at a way better price, which is really good.